This video I'm going to run you through how to create your own custom registration report. This may be for check-in lists or t-shirt lists or maybe something that's specific for the timing company. So if you go ahead and we're going to run a report for this MyRun event. So we'll run the basic registration report to start out. And then you have two options. We can rename the columns. So let's say activity name, we're just going to call that race choice. Oops. And we'll go down here to also our additional questions that we've asked, and we can change t-shirt size youth to just t-shirt. So now those column headings have changed. You can see this one here. And the other thing we can do is edit the columns. So we can reorder them or remove them. So here's the selected, so everything's showing right now. You can either double click to move things off of the selected field, or by using the shift key you can actually select one and go down and create a group and use these arrows in the middle to move things off of the current list. The other thing you can do here is if you need to reorder things. So let's take first name, move before last name, and let's say this t-shirt question is pretty important. So we're going to pull that up here by the birth date. And then you know what, actually we don't need the address information, so let's pull that up. Alright, and we'll click Save. Display is going to show you all the changes that we've made. Now from here what you can do is save this layout. So when you click Save this layout, it's going to ask you for a name. Let's just call this my demo check-in list. Save. And now that report is saved. So if we were to go back out to our report list, we'll see now that if we were to want to rerun a report, that list is here now. If for any reason you want to delete these reports, you'll see a little red circle comes up here that will actually allow you to delete this specific layout. Two last things to show you. If you open up this report again, the filters that are available by date, by activity, by last order key, you can run those once you've opened your save layout, but these do not save with the layout, so you'll need to rerun these each time. So if per se you want a half marathon report, you can go ahead and apply that filter. It's going to show you just the registrations for the half marathon report. For the half marathon activity, and then if you export this data right now, you'll just get these half marathon registrations. The other thing I would like to point out is that from year to year, say you have a report, custom report that you really like the layout for, when you go ahead and come in next year and we want to copy this activity, say we're going to start setting up the registration for our 2015 event. When we click copy, the event will copy and this report is going to follow along with it. So if you go to the run report, this report layout will be saved anytime you copy this event for future use. If you have any other questions or need more assistance with the custom reports, you can contact our customer support line at 612-548-5648 or email at support@zapevent.com.